Hello guys, are you troubled with Fortnite Festival Main Stage not working, or media streaming error? Generally, this kind of error occurs when players attempt to join the game and the servers struggle to give a better performance. So if you are facing the same error, here is the video where I will show you how to fix Fortnite Festival Main Stage error. So let's begin.
But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Method 1. Restart Fortnite Festival game. The first trick that can help you to fix the issue is by restarting the game once. Doing this process will refresh the game and servers as well and will resolve the Fortnite Festival Main Stage error. So close the Fortnite game and relaunch it once. Method 2. Update Fortnite game. Outdated Fortnite game can be another reason for the error. Many users don't show any concern about update of the app, so check if your game is up to date on the respective platforms you play like PC, console, mobile. Method 3. Keep patience. Most of the time, you need to exit the game and keep patience. This is because Epic Games are actively working on the error to fix before you begin to resolve. So in such situation, you should wait for some update or patch to address the issue. Method 4. Keep yourself updated. It's very important to check Fortnite official website, forums and even social platforms for updates related to specific issue from Epic Games. You can get the latest news about the ongoing error and solutions as well.